Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hadian ka jingkut no jong ka jing Thep vote menta ka janmiet u Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoi District u Arpit Upadhyaya habakran shakilat pathai khobor ha office rekam ka jong u lapan pawe ka jing ngokmen halor ka jing yat bet yat renti ka jing Thep vote nakabenta ka election MP u Arpit Upadhyaya ulapan tip ru bakat hadu ka saw baje janmiet ka jing poi jong kinong Thep vote habaro santali ki constituency ka Ribhoi kilong kumba 100% bat kumbalong menta jan baro ki kanhun jong ki balet ki polling station baper kila poilot like no satang katu katne ki bom pat poi bat ki badan ha ki Jaka ki bom biang ka network dak bakermen bagajing poi ki nong Thep let se kandang kiu shu sakumba 100 pra hadu hanyo pau persen utei uhe officer kari boy ulapan pauru ya kajing ngok men bawat ha ki than khapot jong ka block 2 ru kajing poi jong ki nong Thep vote kala nang kiu menta ka kenti hak ba kila yo ban penen kam ya la ka hok ban jiet ya kinong mi khmat klam kanu ka jing sha pen thut shu u Arpit Upadhyaya ula pentip ru bakala don ka wei ka jing ja ha Umsning hak ba Uwei ubriu ubala shok khawyang ula Thmu ban Pynwit ya ka jing Thep vote bat nakaliang magister badikmi haringkat ka kanhun static surveillance team bat ki pulit kila kem bat ra no ya u sha Umsning CHC ban pha medical check up bat ru ban le ya ka badan kam kat kum ki kandon jong ka an.
So today it was a polling day and all the teams are started reporting back and the polling has closed till 4 p.m. The voting percentage was 64% and no untoward incident has been reported. It went very smoothly, it went very fairly, and even in block 2 area, which is the border area where we had some voters who came from block 2 side, they were also able to come freely, and the percentage of voting is also much better this time. So apart from that, there has been one incident in which police has detained one person in Umsning area. So he was trying to create a nuisance and he was reportedly in inebriated condition, and he, as of now, he's going for a medical examination, and the police will take the further course of action. This person was apprehended by the magistrate of SST along with the police team. So all the polling parties are now back, and we are expecting by polls have been closed in almost all the polling stations, barring 2-3 polling stations in which will be closed in like next 5 minutes also. So yeah, that's it. It has been reported till 4 p.m. but the figures will go up and the exact figures will be known to us the moment the polling parties will arrive here, because this data is as per the poll star, and there were very few polling stations in which due to connectivity issues we had to enter the data manually. So we are expecting that the percentage overall will be around 68-70%.
Thank you, sir.